When it comes to intimacy, understanding how to please your partner is one of the most important skills you can develop. Fingering, when done properly, is one of the most versatile and pleasurable ways to connect with a woman. It's not just a lead-up to sex, it can be an incredibly intimate and satisfying experience on its own. This guide will teach you step-by-step how to use your fingers to stimulate a woman in ways that will leave her wanting more. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your skills, these tips will help you understand what women truly enjoy. Why fingering is so effective. Your fingers are uniquely equipped for this task because of their precision, flexibility, and control. Unlike other parts of your body, they can bend, adjust pressure, and explore delicate areas with incredible accuracy. This makes them a perfect tool for pleasuring a woman, if you know how to use them. Many men underestimate the importance of fingering and rush through it, treating it as a quick step to something else. But when done right, fingering can be the main event, one that women will remember and crave. Step 1. Build anticipation, the art of teasing. Start by creating an atmosphere of anticipation. This is one of the most exciting parts of the experience for most women. Don't rush to the end goal. Instead, make her yearn for every touch. Use your hands to gently caress areas like her thighs, hips, back, and neck. Combine this with soft kisses along her neck, collarbone, and earlobes to heighten her arousal. When you move toward her intimate areas, avoid going straight to the main attraction. Instead, let your touch linger on her inner thighs, just shy of direct contact. This buildup creates excitement, heightens sensitivity, and makes every touch feel even more intense. Remember, teasing is about the journey, not the destination. Step 2. Start slow and gentle. When you finally make contact, don't dive in head first. The key is to go slow. Many women lose interest when their partner becomes too aggressive too quickly. A rushed approach can feel uncomfortable or even painful. Start by using gentle strokes around her vaginal lips and clitoris. Use your fingers to explore the outer areas, circling softly, applying light pressure, and gauging her reactions. The clitoris is extremely sensitive, so adjust your touch as needed. Sometimes less is more. Pay attention to her breathing, body language, and any sounds she makes. These cues will tell you if she's enjoying it or if you need to adjust. Step 3. Introduce your fingers with care. Once she's fully aroused and comfortable, it's time to take things to the next level. Start with one finger and ensure it's properly lubricated, either with her natural arousal or using a lubricant. Never insert a dry finger. It can cause discomfort or irritation. Slide your finger in slowly, paying attention to her responses. Use a gentle come hither motion to stimulate her G-spot, which is located about 1 to 2 inches inside the vaginal wall, facing upward. This area often feels slightly textured compared to the surrounding tissue. Once she's comfortable with one finger, you can add a second. The additional stimulation can feel amazing when done slowly and with care. Rotate your fingers, change angles, and explore until you find the rhythm she enjoys most. Step 4. Focus on the G-spot and clitoral combination. For maximum pleasure, combine G-spot stimulation with clitoral touch. While one hand is working inside, use your other hand or your thumb to circle her clitoris gently. This dual stimulation can be incredibly powerful and often leads to intense orgasms. You can also experiment with different motions, pressures, and speeds. Remember that consistency is key. Once you find what she enjoys, maintain that rhythm. Stopping or changing too quickly can interrupt her arousal. Step 5. Adapt to her preferences. Every woman is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Communication is essential. If you're unsure about what she likes, ask her or pay close attention to her reactions. Subtle adjustments can make a big difference. Some women may prefer external stimulation only, while others love a mix of internal and external touch. Be open to experimenting and always prioritize her comfort and enjoyment. Step 6. Build an emotional connection. Beyond the physical, women often need an emotional connection to fully enjoy intimacy. This means creating an environment where she feels safe, understood, and valued. Compliment her, make eye contact, and be present in the moment. When you focus on her emotional and physical needs together, you create an experience that is truly unforgettable. A strong bond enhances pleasure and deepens the trust between you both. Final thoughts: fingering is an art, and like any skill, it requires practice and attention to detail. By focusing on her pleasure, building anticipation, and adapting to her unique preferences, you can create moments of deep intimacy that she'll treasure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on becoming a more confident and skilled partner. See you in the next video.